Grease lubrication. Greases are semi-solid lubricants. They are used instead of oil when the lubricant has to stay in place or stay adhered to the part. Greases do not leak out as easily as oils. Greases are also used when the component cannot be lubricated often and are not accessible during lubrication. Greases are thick and viscous. Automated lubrication method, generally known as centralized lubrication system. This is a system that is automated and delivers specific amount of lubrication to multiple locations on a machine at the same time while the machine is operating. Some of the most commonly used automated lubrication systems are 1. Single line parallel, 2. Dual line parallel, and 3. Multi-point lubrication. Single line parallel automated lubrication operation begins as the controller sends signal to the pump. The pump begins pumping lubricant to build up pressure in the supply line. Once the required pressure is reached, the injection dispenses a predetermined amount of lubricant to the points via feed lines. Once the entire system reaches the desired pressure, a pressure switch sends a signal to the controller and the pump shuts off. Pressure is vented and grease in the line is redirected back to the pump reservoir until normal pressure is restored. Dual line parallel automated lubrication. A dual line parallel system is same as the single line parallel system that uses two main supply lines which are already used as parallel and vent lines. Advantage of dual line system is it can handle hundreds of lubrication points from single pump station over thousands of feet. Operation begins as the controller sends the signal. The pump begins pumping lubricant to build up pressure in the first pressure line, simultaneously venting the second line. Once the required pressure is reached, a fixed amount of lubricant is dispensed. Multi-port direct lubrication. The port, the control in the pump activates the drive motor. A set of cams turns and activates individual injections or pump elements to dispense fixed amount of lubricants to each point. These systems are easy to design, direct pump to point without additional accessories. Advantages of automated lubrication. All critical components are lubricated. Lubrication occurs in operating condition of machinery. Safe operation of machinery. Due to proper lubrication, energy consumption is less due to less friction. Overall productivity is increased due to reduction in downtime. Lubrication is carried out in proper safety. Classification of lubricants. Lubricants used for engines may be divided into three classes, namely 1. Solid lubricants, 2. Semi-lubricants or greases, and 3. Liquid lubricants or oils.